This video walks you through how to recover your TurboTax account. Start by going to the TurboTax sign-in page. Open the TurboTax website in your browser, then look for the sign-in option and click it. This takes you to the account access screen, where you can begin the recovery process using the information tied to your account. On the sign-in page, enter the account detail you remember. You can type your email address, your phone number, or your user ID, depending on what you used when the account was created. After entering that information, click Sign In. If the account detail matches a TurboTax account, the next screen will move you closer to account recovery. If you do not remember your password, select Forgot Password. This link appears below the sign-in options. Clicking it opens the password recovery path for the account information you just entered. Make sure the account detail on screen is the one you want to recover before you continue. The next part is identity verification. TurboTax may offer more than one verification method, such as email a code, text a code, or call with a code. Choose the option that works for you, then follow the prompts to receive your verification code. Once the code arrives, enter it exactly as shown. If the page takes a moment to continue after submission, wait briefly while TurboTax confirms your identity. After verification is complete, you will be prompted to create a new password. Type the new password into the first field, then enter it again in the confirmation field. This second entry helps make sure there was not a typing mistake. When both fields match, click Continue or Save, depending on what appears on your screen. If TurboTax gives you a message about password requirements, adjust the password so it meets those rules before moving forward. Once the new password has been accepted, return to the sign-in page. In some cases, TurboTax may bring you there automatically. If not, go back to the sign-in screen yourself. Enter the same email address, phone number, or user ID you used earlier, then type your updated password into the password field. Click Sign In again to access your account. If the information is entered correctly, TurboTax will sign you in with the new password you just created. From there, you can continue with your account as usual. If you see more than one account option during sign-in, select the one that matches the recovery details you used so you end up in the correct account. Your TurboTax account is now recovered and signed in with your new password.